I've been thoroughly trained in a number of facial, cosmetic, aesthetic, and reconstructive surgeries, and have been in practice for over 20 years. I'm double board certified in head and neck surgery as well as facial plastic and reconstructive surgery through the American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. I've been in practice long enough to have seen my patients and many times their family members, children, and sometimes even grandchildren. Many patients seek our office out for evaluation for nasal reshaping procedures, otherwise known as rhinoplasty. Patients may have issues with having had a previous surgery and their nose either doesn't look like they'd like it to, or they don't breathe as well as they feel that they should, or both. Many times that might involve a functional problem even with the inside of the nose, which I also evaluate when patients come in to see me. Aside from previous surgical patients, we also see patients who have sustained nasal trauma, or they may have had a developmental irregularity to the outside of their nose that they've had all of their life and just want to have changed. Whatever it may be, we're more than happy to see our patients and evaluate them for nasal reshaping procedures. We treat every patient as an individual. We don't use a cookbook to determine what type of rhinoplasty procedure we do or what type of nasal reshaping procedure that we do. We take everybody individually, we review all of your concerns, and then decide what may be the most appropriate pathway to take.
So in, I think it was 2000 and I want to say 11, I was in a car accident and I broke my nose really badly, so I had to have reconstructive septorhinoplasty. Came here for my initial consultation on it, and he was, I was really hopeful that he could help me because I didn't feel like I looked the same after my accident. And so he did the 2 scar revisions on that, which I was extremely happy with. I've been extremely happy with all his work. I think he's an excellent doctor, and I would recommend him to anybody. I actually have a friend who had a broken nose. It's a guy actually, and he had a broken nose since when he was younger. And I told him, I was like, you have to go to Dr. Abramson. He has some breathing problems, and I feel like because Dr. Abramson has like the plastic part of it as well as like the ENT part of it, he can help you with either or, And so I also had some sinus problems because of my accident with my nose being broken, and he helped me through that as well.